How to change name in OneXBet app accounts. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to change your name in your OneXBet account, you need to go to your account settings. Here in this home screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see the menu option. Tap on it. Now in the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Select that. Once you're in your profile page, in order to edit your profile details, you can see this enter details option at the top. Tap on it. From here, you can make changes into your profile details. You can change your name, your place of birth, your residence. So in order to change the name, you can edit the name over here. Enter your first name, enter your last name, and once you are done, you can tap on the save button. And there you go. Your name has been successfully changed in your OneXBet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.